more than 30 years development, construction process of building up the steel structure building completely, changed the previous architecture model. Spending more than a decade, Jinggong Steel Building Group, focus on the steel structure industry, has developed from an obscurity into an industry leader. As a major contractor of the steel structure of the Millennium Project, Bird's Nest for the Olympic Games, Jinggong Steel Building Group has opened up the new future of green architecture, catching the whole world's attention. Jinggong Steel Building Group specialized in the field of steel structure building for more than 10 years. It's a large public group engaged in research and development, design, fabrication, and construction of steel structure. At the same time, it has been awarded the honors of National Excellent Enterprise on Construction and National Excellent Enterprise on Engineering Construction Quality Control. It's a national high-tech enterprise. In 2012, the turnover of the group was more than 10 billion yuan. So far, it has established 6 large modern manufacturing bases in Zhejiang, Anhui, Hubei, Guangdong, Shanghai, and abroad. The annual output of design and fabrication is 650,000 tons of various kinds of structural steel and 15 million square meters of various new types of building materials. It has also obtained Japan H-level structural steel manufacturing performance certification, Singapore S1 National Certificate on structural steel fabrication and installation, as well as America's AISC certificate on steel structure fabrication and European standard. The products are directly exported to countries and regions such as Europe, America, and Japan. With powerful core competitiveness, Jinggong has been ranked top 1 for 6 consecutive years. By 2013, 19 projects had won Luban Award, 9 projects had won Jiantianyo Engineering Award, and 101 had won National Gold Medal. Around the world, Jinggong Steel Building Group has built 65 large stadiums, hundreds of high-rise and super high-rise steel structure constructions, and nearly 60 terminals of airports and railway stations. Among top 10 of contemporary architecture in China, Jinggong Steel Building Group itself built 3 of them. Jinggong has been deeply rooted in the field of steel structure construction. With more than 10 years seeking and advancing, Jinggong is continuously showing itself to the world by changing. Technological innovation is the motivation for the sustainable development of Jinggong Steel Building Group. In 2001, the company established Tongji Jinggong Steel Structure Technology Research Center together with Tongji University, constructing a national-level industry university research R&D platform. At present, Jinggong has established National Enterprise Technology Center and Technological Innovation Research Institution. It possesses 617 professional researchers. Up till 2013, it had totally obtained 226 patents, including 22 invention patents, and participated in the preparation of 46 industrial standards. In the construction of hundreds of projects, Jinggong has established many independent, innovative technology systems. The formative art of modern steel structure construction is increasingly complex and volatile. The structural complexity of National Stadium, Bird's Nest, is the most in the world to support this 48,000-ton huge building. Nearly 30 rare technological problems need to be solved, among which The most challenging one is to design, manufacture, and install more than 3,000 large-scale bending and torsion components of different shapes. Jinggong successfully applied the digital-controlled, centanarless forming technology to solve the difficult problems in fabrication of large-scale bending and torsion component of bird's nest. Since then, this technology has been successfully applied to other projects, such as Shenzhen Bay Sports Center and Dongyin Grand Theater. In the field of large-span space structure, string structure is the representative technology in the future development on the projects, including the largest one-way string structure in China, Harbin Convention Center, the two-way string structure with the largest span in the world, National Stadium, the Suspend Dome with the largest span in the world, Jinan Olympic Sports Center, as well as the Cable Dome with the largest span in China, National Sports Center in Ajin Horo Banner of Erdos. Jinggong has been rewriting the world record. Meanwhile, the technology is also successfully applied to Changzhou Stadium, Nanjing Exhibition Center, etc. The retractable roof system is a perfect solution to deal with the weather interference to the large-scale sports events. Nantong Stadium, the first steel structure project with large retractable roof in China, has a retractable roof with 2,300 tons and 17,000 square meters. And the technology is once again applied to projects including Olympic Sports Center of China Textile City and Erdos Dongsheng Stadium. Jinggong Steel Building Group is currently the only integration service contractor that builds all building systems with large retractable roof in China. With its good mechanical property and flexible modeling, large cast steel node is widely applied to various steel structure constructions. For example, Zhengzhou International Convention Center is the laurel for World City Planning and Design, which supported by the large cast steel node application technology of Jinggong, 2,200 tons of steel casting, the heaviest piece being 36 tons, making Jinggong a model in this field. After that, this technology has been successfully applied to Guangzhou Opera House and Beijing Flower Exposition, etc. This technology not only achieves a perfect integration of newly built metal roofing system and photovoltaic power generation system, but also realizes the newly added photovoltaic power generation system in the existing metal roofing system, providing clean energy for customers. Shanghai Jingrai and Zhejiang Green Building gave play to their collaborative advantage and successfully applied this technology to the roofing projects of Jinjiang Sports Center Gym and Wenzhou Convention Center, etc. At the same time, the integral elevation and integral sliding technology of Jinggong has reached the leading level of the industry. It has successfully created the Beijing Digital Library, the world's heaviest and new Guangdong Provincial Museum, the world's first sliding, as well as the interior architecture with the largest span in the world, Chengdu Ocean Paradise Island. In the field of steel structure of high-rise buildings, the technological innovation and accumulation have also promoted the reputation of Jinggong brand. Chaotai Fuke Center of Guangzhou East Tower, together with Guangzhou West Tower and Guangzhou New TV Tower, has constituted the landmark building group of the city. Yunnan Harmony Center has become the highest building in the southwestern part of China. Shanghai World Financial Center has won the laurel for the highest building among domestic existing buildings. Phase 3 of Beijing International Trade and Tianjin Tower have defined the highest landmark of the city. Jinggong has successfully completed many most complex projects of this domain. Hangzhou International Convention Center, like a huge golden ball, which stands for the new rising city, becomes a special landmark of Hangzhou CBD. Erdos Dongsheng Stadium, with the unique modeling of Mongolia Arrow, becomes the new card of the city. Zhuhai Opera House, with the lively modeling of shell, vividly shows the essence of coastal culture. Guangzhou Opera House, with its postmodernism double boulder design, wins the reputation of world's 10 largest opera houses. Huzhou Sheraton Hotel, with its magical artistic modeling of Ring, is awarded Emperor Skyscraper Award, which is the Oscar Award in the field of architecture. The powerful technological system of Jinggong has made the dreams come true again and again, which also engraves its spirit of pioneering and meticulous into its brand gene. Every innovation of Jinggong is greatly reflected in its project, all of which originates from its outstanding value of integration services. It has created a unique brand new service pattern, helping Jinggong to realize the efficient synergy of design, construction, and management in major steel structure, roofing system, and outside surrounding system. Its subcompany Jinggong, Shanghai Jingray Metal Building System Company Limited, is an engineering integrator specialized in surrounding system of steel structure construction and building integrated photovoltaic by using technologies like building information modeling, BIM, and 3D holographic scan. It has overcome the technological difficulties such as wall molding of multi-curvature reverse houses. It has successfully contracted to build the roofing projects of Guangxi Nanning, Wushu International Airport, Guangzhou South Train Station, Chengzhou Stadium, and Guiyang Airport, etc. Golden Curtain Wall Group Company Limited concentrates on the design and construction of alien curtain walls and unit-type curtain walls. It has also directed and participated in the compiling of more than 10 industrial standards. It also contracted to build the large-scale curtain wall engineering for Sanya Haitong Bay International Shopping Center, China Wood Carving Culture and Art Gallery, First City of Colorful Yunnan, and Tianjin Yujiabao International Finance Center, etc. In the field of industrial construction, Jinggong, an American buildings company, operate perfectly, becoming the leader in domestic industrial construction system, as well as the provider of solutions to domestic lightweight steel structure construction system. BLS Waterproof Technology System has become a leading model of the industry with its refined management systematic technology and high standard quality. Its business covers logistics, autos, machinery, chemical engineering, electric power, electronics, medicine, and food. In the face of the future, Jinggong has been exploring and thinking constantly, transforming to develop green integrated building and international business will be the strategic layout of Jinggong to realize great leap forward development again. Jinggong began to explore the overseas market in 2003. In 2009, the group established Jinggong International Business Department, whose overseas products and technical management service now have covered 6 central markets: Middle East market, centering on Saudi Arabia; South America market, centering on Brazil; North Africa market, centering on Algeria; Central Asian market, centering on Kazakhstan; Australia market, centering on Australia; and Southeast market, centering on Singapore and Japan. With a quality standard surpassing those of America, Europe, Australia, and Japan, and a business pattern of design build, Jinggong achieved a lot within a few years, including the largest international airport in the Middle East, Jeddah International Airport of Saudi Arabia, the largest railway station in the Middle East, Mecca Railway Station in Saudi Arabia, the world's largest nitrogen fertilizer plant, Brazilian UFN3 nitrogenous fertilizer plant, Australia's most environmental building, Australia Chevry Square, and the landmark of Japanese design cultural festival, Cocoon Building. At present, Jinggong endeavors to complete the world's highest building, 1,007-meter Kingdom Tower in Saudi Arabia. The Industrialized Integrated Building of Green Building System, GBS, has possessed the first-class qualification in general contractor. The group invested 4.6 billion yuan to build a large-scale science and technology park of integrated building in order to create modern green buildings through BIM informationization integrated design, with the purpose of factories prefabrication and on-site assembly and construction, application of new recyclable materials, of high energy conservation and environmental protection. The Green Industrialized Integrated Building of GBS divides building into multiple modular systems, including prefabricated integrated floor system, unit-type curtain wall system, fabricated interior wall system, and integrated bathroom system. As a result, the project cycle is shortened by 70%, the labor demand reduced 70%, the construction waste reduced by 70%, and the major structure realizes 90% of recovery rate, realizing building industrialization, which brings customers and industry sustainable development space. "60% of the senior executives in Jinggong have the education background in CEIBS, Tsinghua University, Beijing University, and Chengkong Grade School of Business. More than 200 workers at the production line have obtained international welding qualification certificates of JIS, AWS, and CWI. In 2011, Jinggong set up Jinggong Business School with multiple professional training programs, focusing on training the future top and middle-level managers of Jinggong and highlighting improving employees' professional competence. Bearing charity in mind and being thankful to society, delivering the energy of working attentively, changing impossibility into possibility, treating people with sincerity, moving others by first moving oneself. This is Jinggong's cultural gene, inherited consistently. It is exactly such team and culture helps Jinggong to lead the way with a transcendent attitude when facing every challenge. The power of surpassing originates from the pursuit of dreams. Worldwide Works has contributed to the brand image of Made in Jinggong. Jinggong is exerting itself to become the promoter and leader in steel structure building industry, contributing to the sustainable development of economy and nature. Jinggong wishes to cooperate with you hand in hand and create a more excellent and wonderful future together.